The emitter and controller in the kit are pre-paired from the factory. If you have accidentally unpaired, or need to repair with new emitters, you can follow the instructions. To pair new emitters, press and hold the L button till the last indicator flashes. Turn on the emitter, it will automatically pair with the controller. Once it's successfully paired, the last indicator will stop flashing. To pair another emitter, repeat the pairing method. Make sure only one emitter sends signals to the controller, to avoid interference when pairing. We suggest moving the other motion sensors away from the controller, or covering their sensors from detecting. If you need to delete pairing information, press and hold the T button till all 6 indicators light up. Now all pairing information is erased.